Nyob and hello to all of you. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to make one of my dad's all-time classic sardine stir fry that I grew up eating as a kid and still till this day. This sardine stir fry is so flavorful, full of aromatics, full of herbs, and a little bit goes a long way with a little bit of rice or sticky rice dipped into it. This is one of those dishes that we grew up eating because sardines were cheap, and it's still fairly cheap actually, and a little bit goes a long way, so it does feed a lot of family. And I wanted to show you how to make this recipe because it's like one of those struggle food that I grew up eating and still love till this day, and I wanted to share with you how my dad made it for us growing up as kids so that you can give it a go as well. If you grew up eating sardines, do let me know how you cook them, how your parents cook them for you, or how you like to prepare them. I am curious. So with that, let's go ahead and I will show you how to make my dad's sardine stir fry. So there's quite a lot of different brands and kinds of canned sardines. Usually at most Asian grocery store, they will have a variety of different kinds and brands. The one that I grew up eating is the 39 brand. This one is the one that comes with tomato sauce along with some salt. So I'm going to be using this one for this recipe today. I'm only going to be using one can, and this is roughly around 425 grams of the sardines with the tomato sauce. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it so that you can see what it looks like inside. And it looks something like this. Typically it'll have around 2 to 3 pretty big pieces of sardines and some tomato sauce here. So besides the sardines, my dad loves to add quite a lot of different aromatics and herbs in here. So here I have some finely chopped lemongrass, I have some minced garlic, and some shallots. For the herbs, my dad loves to use quite a lot of lime leaves. He does like to add quite a lot in there for a more robust lime leaf flavor. I have some chili peppers here for a little bit of spice, some Thai basil, some dill, green onions, and cilantro. So I do like to have everything prepped and ready because this stir fry is gonna cook up pretty fast. So in a really good nonstick pan, I have about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil that I'm heating up on medium high. I'm gonna add in the shallots, garlic, and lemongrass, and I'm gonna saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes, or until I notice that the garlic has turned slightly brown, something like this. I do want some coloring for extra flavor. And then at this point, I'm gonna add in all of the sardines along with the tomato sauce. Give this a really good stir, and I'm actually going to break apart the sardines into smaller pieces. They're fairly soft already, so they break up pretty easily. I'm gonna season this, and it's really simple. My dad likes to add a little bit of salt and some MSG. Give this a really good stir and allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. My dad does like to reduce this and have it more on the drier side, but if you want it a little bit more on the saucier side, then you could stop here and add in all the herbs and stop here. But I'm gonna cook this out and reduce it a little bit more to get it a little bit more on the drier side. So I'm gonna keep stirring it until I get something like this. And once it looks like this, at this point, I'm gonna add in all of the fresh herbs. Give this a really good stir and just let this cook for about 15 seconds to wilt the herbs. And then I'm going to turn off the heat. Go ahead and taste and adjust the seasoning. But other than that, this is how my dad makes his sardine stir fry. It looks something like this. Now, if you want, you could definitely add some fresh chopped tomatoes in there and saute it into it to give it a little bit more of a saucier sardine stir fry. But I grew up eating it like this, so I'll keep it as is. So this stir fry is pretty quick and easy. I'm going to go ahead and plate this and serve it with either some fresh steamed rice, or my favorite way to enjoy this is with some sticky rice. So I'll take a little bit of the sticky rice here and just dip it into the sardines and enjoy it as it is like this. It's so flavorful, very herbaceous, aromatic, and very easy to make. So I hope you enjoy this video. Give this one a try. Until then, I will see you in my next video.